This is Team Aaron, and we are in the series of lectures and series of tutorials of the HTML5 and the HTML learning HTML. In this video, we are going to concentrate on the HTML5. From the in the before videos, we have learned about basic HTML, but the present using HTML in the websites web browser is HTML5. So it is a need to learn the HTML5. So the basic difference here comes in the HTML5 is the first doc type declaration. In the doc type, it's like this doc type HTML. This is a doc type declaration for HTML5, and the HTML tag in HTML5 will be associated with the language we are using in the HTML document. Now I'm using English language, that is equal, and here these are the set of languages available to write the HTML5. I'm using English, so it's en. One second, it's en. And next we need to define our head tag, and let me give some space, and here we need to define our head tag, and inside the head tag we already seen that it's the title title, and it's let me give the title as my web page. And in the head tag we can declare the meta tags as we already discussed, that is the meta, and the attribute for the meta tag is caret, and HTML5 follows the UTF-8 caret, UTF-8. This is the standard caret internationally accepted, and HTML5 follows it. And here we can write script or even style tags, and we will see those in the next coming videos. And let me open the body tag, body tag. And the major difference for HTML before versions and the HTML5 and 5.1 is HTML5 provides a series and various tags that were unavailable in HTML previous versions. So HTML5 provides many more thematic elements like header, footer, article, section. So these are called thematic new elements or new tags provided in the HTML5 and 5.1. So, and there are many attributes for the form elements in HTML5, as we already seen in previous videos, like the number, date and time, calendar, range. These are the several attributes for the form tag. And HTML5 provides number of graphic elements. We can insert some graphic elements in our web page in HTML5. That's using SVG tag and canvas tag. And it also provides many more multimedia features for the website by introducing new tags called audio tag or video tag. Don't worry, you're a bit confused. In our forthcoming videos we will see each and every tag in detail. So in this video, let me show you what are the differences between your HTML previous versions and HTML5. So in HTML5, as I already said, it provides many thematic elements like header, footer, article and section. So what is before going to learn what is header, footer and the thematic elements, let me show you how to create a new tag, user defined tag in HTML5. So in order to create a new tag in HTML5, we need to write some script code, that is the script code written in the by the language called JavaScript. So let me open a script tag, and inside the script tag let me write a code called a document dot create element, and inside the parentheses let me write the new tag or the user defined tag name, that is Aaron. This is the user defined tag name, And let me close the script tag, and here it is closed. So this document dot create element is a JavaScript line which creates a new element called Aaron, and this Aaron can be used as a new tag or the user defined tag in your HTML code. And let me configure this Aaron tag. Let me declare a style tag now, and inside the style tag, let me sorry let me provide the styles for Aaron tag, that is a o n. Let me open parenthesis and let me write the color equal blue, and text, let me write the display of the Aaron tag is block, and let me write the font size is to some 30 pixel, and let me write a padding size equals some 50 pixel, and the style tag is closed here. And let me go into the body tag, and inside the body tag let me declare my user defined tag, that is Aaron, Aaron, and let me write something in that tag, that is this text is written by using user defined tags, and the arrow is closed. As you can see, the brackets has now already start thinking that arrow is an independent tag, as so it already showed you already present you with the closing tag of the opening tag. So let me save this. So here you can see our text is blue in color, and it has a padding space of 50 pixel and a font size of 30 pixel. And this is a way to create a user defined tag in HTML, and this feature is only provided from HTML5 onwards. So this is the the drastic advantage the HTML5 provides before than when compared to its previous versions. So HTML5, the most important feature, most important point regarding the HTML5 is HTML5 codes is acceptable everywhere in the most latest browsers. But if you want to run the HTML5 in Internet Explorer 8 or before the versions of Internet Explorer 8, we need to add a script to the code. I will show you what is that script in the forthcoming videos. But remember the point that HTML5 code is not executable, it's not runnable in Internet Explorer 8 and its previous versions. So that's the point you should have in your mind. And in this video, let me say the definitions of the semantic elements the HTML5 provides, that is the article, header, footer, and section. So the section is nothing but a section of the element, and the article is nothing but the independent self-contained content, means and self-contained content which does not depends on any other the contents of the web page is called the article. And the section and article can contain, each section can contain any number of articles, and any article contains, it can contain any number of sections. So, and there is a header and footer semantic elements in HTML5. Header is used to declare the headings of the head of the document, and footer is used to declare the ground part, that is end of the document, the footer part of the document. Generally copyright symbols and designer symbols, designer names, and credits are given in the footer element. And in the HTML5 provides a tag called figure, and in the figure the source of img tag is used, and the fig caption tag is provided in HTML5 to provide a caption for the inserted figure. And with this, we covered most of the important tags that we get, and there is another more tag called details tag. We'll see it in the next video. And with this, let me go on to the practical usage of the HTML5 and how to use the HTML5 in the browser from the next videos. So thank you for watching, and subscribe for us.